Welcome. We'll start with Class 7 Geography Chapter 6 Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Now, what is the meant by natural vegetation and wildlife? Natural vegetation is the plant community, herb, shrub, tree, which grow on the earth's surface own without any human interference. Thus, cactus, grass, rainforest, etc. Wildlife means the animals which are not domesticated. The growth of vegetation in a region is interdependent on moisture and temperature. It also depends on factors like slopes and thickness of soil. The vegetation types are found across the globe, are grouped into scrubs, forests, tundras, and grasslands. When you travel in different states, have you noticed that the plant and animals everywhere are not same? Some are large, leafy, green trees and some are thorny bushes. Some of in conical shapes. In the same way, even animals differ in each area, like yak in Ladakh, bear in polar region, and camel found in desert, depending upon their habitat and other natural factors surrounding them. They have basically adapted to their natural environment around them so they can survive. Generally, natural vegetation classified into three categories: forest, grassland, and shrubs. Forest is an area which covered with trees, a part of trees, other kind of plants such as creepers, climbers, herb, shrub, and bushes also grow in forest. Usually, forests are found in regions where annually temperature and rainfall very high. Whereas grassland grow in the region of moderate rain and shrub grow in the dry region. We have nicely covered the importance of vegetation and wildlife in class 6. All the plants and animals in a given area are so closely interlinked and interdependent that they cannot survive without each other. The large scale poaching and killing of wild animals residing in the forest by man is a serious threat to the survival of many animals and bird species. This also disturbs the food chain in which these animals occur, resulting in undesirable consequences for whole ecosystem. So to avoid these consequences, special efforts to be conservation are required. Our earth is unique. The green cover over it. The green cover is possible because of sunlight, water, soil available on the earth. The changes in the types of natural vegetation occur mainly because of the changes of climate condition such as temperature, moisture, thickness of soil and slope. Let us get to know the different type of natural vegetation of the world with their characteristics, features and wildlife inhabiting there. Let us get to know different types of natural vegetation of the world with their characteristics, features and wildlife habitating there. Now we will understand all of these categories and their subcategories one by one. So let us first start with forest. Among the forest, first type of forest is tropical evergreen forest. Let us break it down, each word. Try to understand what it means. First word, tropical. It is a region around equator or between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Evergreen means green throughout the year. Forest. These three criteria should fulfill to be a forest is area covered with trees, good temperature and plenty of rainfall. Tropical evergreen forests occupy about 7% of Earth's surface. Tropical evergreen forests are dense, multi-layered and have many types of plants and animals. These forests are found in regions near the equator. So these regions hot and receiving heavy rainfall more than 200 centimeters. They are very dense. Even the sunlight does not reach the ground. Numerous species of trees are found in these forests. In some regions, some type of trees shade their leaves at different times of the year. Therefore, these forests always appear green and are known as evergreen forests. These forests occur in a belt around the equator, in the Amazon basin and in Congo basin. Those areas which face heavy rainfall, there huge trees get a chance to thrive. In evergreen forest, animals spending most of their life on trees are monkey, lizard, apes and bats. In evergreen forest, swampy parts animals are turtle, crocodile, alligator and hippopotamus. Now, let me share some of the facts. Parasites and anaconda found in the rainforest. Anaconda, one of the world's largest snake, is found in the tropical rainforest. It can kill and eat large animals such as crocodile. The hardwood trees found in rainforest are mahogany, ebony, bamboo, sandalwood, rosewood, and rubber, etc. These trees do not shade their leaves altogether. This is the reason they are called evergreen forest. The trees of these forests reach great heights up to 60 meters or even above. The thick canopies of closely spaced trees do not allow the sunlight to penetrate inside the forest, even in the daytime. The forests are in fact so thick that the dense roof created by the leaves and branches do not allow the sunlight to reach the ground. The ground remains dark and damp. Only shade tolerant vegetation may grow here. In evergreen forest, other native animals are jaguar, leopard, python, and elephant. Now, coming to next topic, tropical deciduous forest. You know the meaning of tropical and forest. So, let us understand what is deciduous. Deciduous means tree shade their leaves in dry season. Tropical deciduous forest found in large part of India, northern Australia and in Central America. Some characteristics of these forests are also called monsoon forests. These found in the area having rainfall between 200 to 70 centimeter. Trees shade their leaves in dry season to conserve water and pick up new leaves. These forests are not very dense and the trees are of medium heights about 9 meter. In monsoon forest, some important species of trees are teak, sal, sisam, bamboo, sandalwood and eucalyptus. Hardwood trees have great economic value and they are used for variety of purpose like making furniture, transport and construction material. Animals found in these forests are tiger, elephant, leopard, bears, rhinos, and varieties of snakes. Deciduous forest trees shade their leaves. In this way, they use little energy and have enough water to stay alive in dry season. The next kind of forest is temperate deciduous forest. So again let us break down the words and try to understand what it means. You know the meaning of deciduous and forest. Here temperate means region in between the topic of Cancer to Arctic Circle and topic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. These forests are found in higher latitudes. They are found in northeastern part of USA, China, New Zealand, Chile, and coastal region of Western Europe. Important species of trees are oak, ash, redwood, Douglas firs, maple, beech, and birch. Deer, wolves, fox, and squirrel are the animal commonly found here. Birds like pheasants and monals are also found here. Now we have temperate evergreen forest. You know the meaning of evergreen and forest. Temperate means region between Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. We can see temperate zone. Temperate evergreen forest generally found in southeast USA, South China, southeast Brazil. They comprise both hard and softwood trees like oak, pine, eucalyptus, etc. Next topic is Mediterranean forest. So let us break it down words and try to understand what it means. Mediterranean means an area around Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa and Asia. And you know the meaning of forest. Mediterranean vegetation found in the area around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa and Asia. This kind of vegetation is also found outside the actual Mediterranean region in California in USA, Southwest Africa, Southwestern America and Southwest Australia. Mediterranean region are known as orchard of the world for their fruit cultivation. Citrus fruit like orange, grapes, figs, olives are grown here. Mediterranean region have hot and extreme dry summer and mild wet winters. Trees adapt themselves to dry summers with the help of thick bark and wax-coated leaf, which help them to reduce transpiration, and trees have long roots. Coniferous forest. These are also called taiga. Coniferous forest found between 50° to 70° north latitude between temperate and temperate zone. Taiga means pure or untouched in Russian language. Coniferous forests seen in higher latitudes Alaska, Canada, Norway, Sweden, Russia and Siberia. These forests are also seen in higher altitudes as Himalaya. There is close relationship between height of the land and characteristics of vegetation. With the changes in height, the climate changes and that changes natural vegetation. We can also see tall trees with thin pointed leaves and cone-shaped canopies on mountain slopes. coniferous forest, tall softwood evergreen trees. The wood of these trees are very useful for making pulp, which is used for manufacturing paper and newsprint. Matchboxes and packing boxes are also made from softwood. Cheer, pine, devdar, cedar are the important variety of trees are found here. Common animals found in coniferous forest are silver fox, mink and polar bear. Grassland can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Grassland can be defined as a region where grasses form a dominant type of plant life. The type of plant that grow here greatly depend on what the climate and soil are like, as climate play an important role in formation of grassland. It is generally used as a basis to divide the word grasslands into two broad categories: those that occur in the temperate region and those that occur in tropical region. Grasslands are known by different names in different regions. These grasslands are known as savannas in Africa, llanos in Venezuela, and campos in Brazil. These grasslands are found in tropical zone. The vegetation grow in the area of moderate to low amount of rainfall. The grasses can grow very tall, about 3 to 4 meter in height. These grasslands are found within tropical zone. Other one, temperate grassland. These are found in mid latitudinal zones and in the interior part of the continent. Usually, the grass found here is short and nutritious, which is good for cattle field. Grasslands are important for milk and dairy production. Due to the high surplus of wheat production, these areas are also called breadbasket of the world. Pampas, prairies, veld, steppe and down are temperate grasslands. The common animals of grasslands are zebra, giraffe, deer, tiger, lion, leopard and antelopes. Tropical desert is a hot desert. Desert are places with very little rainfall and extreme temperature. The hottest and biggest desert of the world is Sahara Desert. Thorny bushes. These type of forests are found in dry desert-like region which receive less than 50 centimeter of rainfall. The natural vegetation cover in scare only the thorny trees and bushes found here. Trees are scattered and have long roots penetrating deep into the soil in order to get moisture. The stems are
Succulent and thick to conserve water. Leaves are mostly thick and small to minimize evaporation.
Tropical deserts are located on the western margin of the continents.
In tropical deserts, some of the species of trees are acacia, palm, euphorbia, and cactus, etc. Mice, rabbits, horses, snakes, and camels are some of the animals found here.
In the world, in some places as hot as fire and some as cold as ice. These are the desert areas of the world. These are characterized by low rainfall, scanty vegetation and extreme temperatures. Depending on the temperatures, there can be hot desert or cold desert. Now we'll learn about cold desert. If you reach the polar region, you will find the place extremely cold. The growth of natural vegetation is very limited here.
Tundra regions are located in polar area of Europe, Asia, and North America. Animals which have thick fur, thick skin for surviving in the cold climate condition like seal, walrus, musk, oxen, polar bear, snow foxes are found here. In this region have cold winters and very short and cold summers. Land in always frozen, so no trees are found. Only mosses, lichens and some shrubs grow. Some of the major reasons due to which forest resources being depleted: forest fire, deforestation, landslide, soil erosion, tsunami and construction works.